Hi, this is Nikki from Off Grid Style. I hope you enjoy this video on dealing with a grid down situation.
Preparing for a grid down scenario, ensuring resilience in the face of power outages. A grid down scenario, where the electrical power grid is disrupted for an extended period, can result from various factors such as natural disasters, cyber attacks, or infrastructure failures. The impact of such an event can be widespread and disruptive, affecting everything from communication to food distribution. To ensure resilience and minimize the challenges posed by a grid down situation, careful preparation and strategic planning are essential. 1. Establish a communication plan. Communication is crucial during a grid down scenario. Develop a communication plan with your family members and neighbors, including designated meeting points and alternative means of communication such as two-way radios or satellite phones. 2. Build a stockpile of essentials. Prepare for the possibility of limited access to stores by building a stockpile of essential supplies. Focus on non-perishable foods, water, medications, hygiene items, and other necessities that can sustain you and your family for an extended period. 3. Invest in alternative energy sources. During a power outage, alternative energy sources can be invaluable. Consider investing in solar panels, wind turbines, or backup generators to provide electricity for essential devices and appliances. 4. Enhance home security. A grid down scenario can lead to increased vulnerabilities. Strengthen your home security by reinforcing doors and windows, installing motion-activated lights, and considering security cameras or alarms to deter potential intruders. 5. Learn basic survival skills. Basic survival skills are essential in a grid down situation. Learn skills such as first aid, fire making, water purification, and basic self-defense to increase your ability to handle challenges effectively. 6. Develop food self-sufficiency. Invest in gardening and learn about food preservation techniques. Growing your own food and storing surplus can help mitigate food shortages during an extended power outage. 7. Create a power management plan. Prioritize power usage and management to conserve energy. Use devices like power inverters to convert battery power into usable electricity for charging essential devices. 8. Organize community preparedness. Strengthening community bonds can enhance overall resilience. Collaborate with neighbors to share resources, skills, and support, creating a network that can work together during challenging times. 9. Backup important data. Backup important documents and data on external hard drives or cloud storage to ensure that vital information is preserved in case of technological disruptions. 10. Maintain financial preparedness. In a grid down scenario, access to financial systems might be limited. Keep a supply of cash on hand for immediate needs and consider diversifying your financial assets to ensure stability. 11. Plan for medical needs. Have a well-stocked first aid kit and essential medications on hand. Familiarize yourself with basic medical procedures to address minor injuries and illnesses. 12. Develop evacuation plans. While preparing for grid down, have evacuation plans in place. Identify safe evacuation routes and locations where you can seek shelter if staying at home becomes untenable. 13. Stay informed. Keep yourself informed about the potential causes and duration of the grid down scenario. Stay updated through battery-operated radios or other alternative sources of news and information. In conclusion, preparing for a grid down scenario requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses various aspects of daily life. From communication plans and alternative energy sources to stockpiling essentials and acquiring survival skills, readiness is key to navigating the challenges posed by extended power outages. By developing a well-rounded preparedness strategy and fostering community collaboration, you can enhance your resilience and maintain a sense of security even in the face of unforeseen disruptions.